Alright, I hope this is recording. So this video is basically about I'm gonna show me flying an FPV drone for the very first time. So I think for the past week or maybe 10 days I've been flying in the simulator, and I don't know, I felt kind of confident, so I got an FPV drone and I'm gonna try to fly it today. Let's see how it goes. So first things first, just to give you a clear idea, this is the drone right here. So it's a really small drone. So just to give you a basic overview, this is my phone right here, and this is the drone. Basically it's half the size of my phone. So we're gonna be trying to fly that today. Hopefully I can fly it. Oh shit, something like that. And then the next thing is we got this radio controller to control the drone, and we have an FPV goggles so I can see everything that the drone is seeing. So real quick, I'm just gonna like set all these up. Yeah, basically that's it. Now we just plug the drone, turn on the transmitter, and
throttle warning.
we hope that it all goes according to plan. Cool, so the drone is ready to fly as it is. And then I guess I'll put the GoPro here so you can see the stick controls better. See how that's gonna be our controller, and yeah, so let's set up these goggles real quick. Yep, I can clearly see that through them. So this is basically what you see through the goggles. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, this is what you see through them. And I'm gonna try to record it as well, I guess. Yes, it is recording now. So let's just fly. Hold on, something's wrong. Alright, yeah. Sorry. I forgot to bind it. So this is my drone arm. The video is really jittery, so I'm not really seeing like clear video, so I don't know, I might lose the drone somewhere. Oh fuck, oh shit. And also the sticks are a little bit harder than the simulation, because the simulation is so much forgiving. Because if you crash, it's a simulation, you can restart, but this is fucking basically a drone, so you can't restart this. Okay, so I don't know what I should do here. Maybe I'll try a backflip. Let's see. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah.
Telemetry lost.
That was me trying a backflip.
Telemetry recovered.
Okay, let's try going through this goalpost. Oh shit.
Telemetry lost.
Hold on, I gotta find my drone now.
Telemetry recovered.
Kill switch. So this is how these things are. It's really small, but it can fly really fast. And yeah, I crashed it twice actually. And this is my first ever flight, so. And I also tried to do a backflip, so I guess we're pretty good. I don't know. Let's give it another try. Let's see. I'll just quickly check my battery levels, because these are lithium polymer batteries, so you don't want to like fucking drain them, because they get real bad if you drain them. Where's my fucking contrast? No, I can't. For some reason I can't change the brightness on these goggles. So alright, let's arm it. Woo! That's fast. Alright, I have like fucking crows. Don't hit yourself, dude. Maybe if I can. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try the backflip again, guys. Whoa! Made it! Shit! Where am I? Is it? This is a different guy. Okay, I'm out of.
Telemetry lost.
I think I'm out of battery now. I was somewhere over there.
Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Yep. Yep. And there we go.
Telemetry recovered.
Right, so we've established a connection with the radio. I keep the drone somewhere over here. And yeah, I can still see. Put this here. And just arm it. It's armed. Whoa. Okay, let's try the backflip again. Woo! Maybe try a roll now. Yep. Okay, oh shit, I crashed. That's not good. So Ah, this one's out of battery too. I don't know why my drones are running out of battery. Oh shit, this is dead. Fuck yeah. Sorry. Yeah. You can't really use them a lot. Let me just check where the guy is. Okay, he's gone. So let's try something a little more daring now. Let's go in here. Let's go out and swirl around. Woo! A little backflip. Maybe I should circle myself. What do you think? Circle yourself, dude. Ah, this is so... I feel like my head is spinning. Again, low battery volt. Low battery. Land now, land now, land now. What if I try a power loop? Okay, yeah, nope. Bad idea.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Where the fuck is it? Arm it. 7.9 volt, 7.6 volts. That's not bad. I can fly till it gets to 7. Okay, I'm losing video, so I'm guessing that's the range for this drone. It can go really far. Whoa, that I just went past myself. It was scary. Okay, let's go a little bit faster. Ooh, a little bit of swirl. Ow, ow. I'm gonna do a backflip right above myself. Fuck. Alright, that's it. That's it for today. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna charge it, and maybe I'll come back. Let's see how the lighting is. I don't want to fly at night. So I'm gonna turn off the radio now, and I'm gonna disconnect the drone like so. Oh fuck, this is really hard. Okay, now the drone is disconnected. I'm just gonna quickly take off the GoPro. Ah, fuck. Shit, fuck's sake. Yeah, GoPro's off. Holding thing, so that was basically it. That was my first time flying in an FPV, and I loved it. And yeah, let's turn this one off because battery. So yeah, so for anyone who's trying to get into FPV, I would definitely recommend like starting off with a small drone like this, because as you can see, even this small drone, it's pretty fucking fast, and you can fucking hurt yourself or people around. So if you like jump straight into these big ass 5-inch drones, you're gonna, I don't know, chop someone's head off or hurt someone really bad. So yeah, that's it.